Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this section of my video, I'm going to differentiate between a bill and writing check. Now, many people confuse these two. Enter this pay bill, enter bill with writing check. Now, let's illustrate. Let's give an illustration. When you enter bill, you are entering to pay later. This bill here is that you are entering bill to pay later. Now let's select easy supplies. Let's say we want to buy office supply, and you can see the bill due date is in 10 days. It means we are actually creating an account payable account, then paying back later. So let's say we are buying diesel from our easy supply worth 12,000. Okay, now the bill we receive, if we receive any bill from them, any number attached to it, we write them here, or invoice number, whichever. So we save and close. Now we check our chart of account. How do you see your chart of account? Go to company and chart of an account. So click on chart of account. Okay, now let's go to account payable account. Double click on it to expand the register. Now you see we have 12,000 naira posted to this account. Formerly the account was 10,000 minus 10,000. If you view the last class, now as a result of this transaction, it means we had a credit of 10,000. A credit here means we have a grace of 10,000 that the supplier is owing us. That the supplier is owing us. But now they are now owing us. We are now owing them extra 2,000. Okay, now let's go back to the chart of account. Let us undo that. So we'll go to home. Now we pay bill. Paying bill here is we have this 12,000. As you can see, we click on 12,000 and we select the bill. We are only paying this 12,000 that we just entered now. Now why we did that is just to show us the difference between bill and writing of check. Bill, we have to create an account payable. We have to hold somebody first before paying. You understand? We have to hold somebody first before paying. So we are owing them 2,000 now. So we want to pay back that 12,000. The 12,000 bill we receive of recent, which is this 12,000. I've selected it. Then pay selected bill from which account? You see, from First Bank account. You can see the balance now is 348 as against the balance we had before. If you are printing, you click on to be printed. If you are assigning check number, maybe you are writing the check with your hand, you select this second one. Then which method? Definitely is check, today's date. You understand? So that is that. We pay selected bill. Now this assign check number, they will show us a place to put check number. So let's say 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can let QuickBooks assign check number for you, or you write the check number corresponding to the manual check number you are writing. So click on OK, and once that is done, the transaction is done. So if you want to pay more bill, you click on that. So done. So now let's go back to account payable account. Let's go through chart of account. Okay, going back, you see the 10,000 we are owing before, double click on that, has now reflected. So you can see 12 in and 12 out. So that has explained how bill work. So you only enter bill when you want to pay later. So going back to home, Similarly, if you are receiving bill from your supplier, what you buy and sell, you can come to this place, receive inventory with bill. Then once you want to pay the bill, you will now pay bill directly from here. But if you check my videos on my YouTube, you understand on purchases, I explain very well comprehensively on how to go through this process. But here I just want to tell us how to record or the difference between bills and check. So if I want to write check now, I'll just click on write check or Ctrl W, or click on write check on this. Now you can see here we are paying directly. So once we are making payment, there is no room for account payable. So let's say we are paying to Easy Supply or Easy Bakery. Now you can see they are telling us that there is are you writing a check to pay for an unpaid bill? Yeah, we're owing them 150,000. So let's go to pay bill or write this check. You understand? If you want to pay for this bill, it's advisable for you to go to pay bill so I can pay. But if you are writing check for a different thing entirely, you understand? So you write check. So I'm writing check entirely for a different purpose. So we'll click on the expense. Let's say diesel, then amount 10,000. So here now we are not creating any account payable, we are just paying directly. So save and close. Now let's go back to chart of account. Let's see the effect of this transaction. Now you see it has reduced to 338 from 348. Now our account payable still remain 10,000. So difference between account bill and check once again is that bill you are buying to pay later. So the bill will help you to track who you are owing and when you are supposed to pay. You understand? And what terms of agreement is in between that transaction. While writing check is like making immediate payment. So there are two kind of payment you make in your office: the ones you acquire to pay later, and the ones you pay instantly. Hope you understand. If you have any question, comment on the comment section. Please subscribe and turn on the notification so that whenever I have new videos you get notified. And if you have any question again, ask and I might create another video to respond to those questions. Thanks and bye.